guys, and welcome to my new video. And today I'm gonna show you my new toy. As you can see, the day is beautiful. We are outside, we are on the lake. And even before we start with a new video today, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, maybe you like something. I have bought inflatable boat, and today on this beautiful weather I want to try it. So stay with me in the video, press like button, leave your comment and enjoy. Let's go. This type of boats are really easy to assemble, and because of that I really like it. The old parts don't take too much space in the car, so you can transport it everywhere you want. And the boat comes like this. You will take it out and I will show you how to assemble it. Here's aluminium floor for the boat, and here's the fuel for the engine. When you are inflating your boat, you should stop about 50-70% and then put your aluminium bottom in a boat and then inflate the rest and then put the stuff, and then we are good to go. So guys, our inflatable boat is now ready to be set in the water. The whole procedure of inflating and setting the boat, it took about 20-25 minutes to put everything what you need. So guys, we are ready to sail, to ride our boat. Engine is installed, everything is set up. So let's go and try it.